What's up, guys? In today's video, I'll quickly run through how to link a PDF on Squarespace. I'll be showing this on a desktop browser. First, log into your Squarespace account and navigate to the page where you want to add the PDF link. Once you're on that page, click the Edit button to open the page editor. You'll see your content blocks become editable. Now find the spot where you want the PDF link to appear and click the insert point, that's the plus icon that appears between blocks. When the block menu opens, select Text Block. The text block appears where you can start typing. Type the text you want to use for your link. Something descriptive like download PDF or the actual PDF title works well. Once you've typed it, highlight the text by clicking and dragging over it. The text becomes selected. With the text highlighted, look at the toolbar that appears above it and click the link icon. It looks like a chain link. The link editor opens. In the link editor, click the gear icon next to the URL field. A drop-down menu appears. Select File from that menu. The file upload interface opens. Click the Upload File button and choose your PDF from your computer. You can also drag the file directly into the upload area. After a second, the file name appears, showing the upload is complete. Once the file appears in the list, click the checkbox to the left of the file name to select it. A check mark appears next to it. Before saving, toggle on the Open Link and New tab option if you see it. This keeps visitors on your site when they view the PDF. Click Save to apply the link. You'll return to the main editor view and the link is now active. You'll notice Squarespace generates a URL starting with /s/ for your file. Finally, click Save at the top left of the page editor. You may need to click an Apply button to confirm your changes. The page editor closes and your changes are saved. Quick tips: the PDF needs to be under 20 megabytes to upload directly. If your file is larger, you'll need to host it somewhere like Dropbox or Google Drive and paste that external link instead. Also, that /s/ URL Squarespace creates can be copied and used anywhere else on your site navigation, menus, other pages, even emails. And always test the link in preview mode before going live to make sure it opens correctly. And that's how to link a PDF on Squarespace. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.